Hey, what's up guys? DDF Online here, your teacher of English for today. And today we are talking about some easy peasy stuff like much, many, and a lot of. Now I know these words might seem boring and basic, but trust me, they're crucial for sounding like a native speaker. Okay, so many means a whole bunch, a large quantity of stuff, something like, do you have many friends? I have many sisters. But if you are talking about uncountable stuff like water, you gotta use much. For example, do you have much money? I have much water. Okay, but if you're not a fan of coffee like me, you can say, I don't have much coffee, or I don't drink much coffee. And finally, we have got a lot of. This one's a bit more versatile. You can use it with both countable and uncountable nouns, with positive sentences, remember that, like I have a lot of friends, I have a lot of dogs, a lot of water, a lot of money. And if you want to sound a bit less formal, go for I got a lot of instead of I have. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful in understanding these basic but important words. Okay, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more English classes like that. From your teacher of English, DDF Online. Peace. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. And if you got a question that you'd like answered, post it in the comment section below. Your questions could be my next video.